Yoga is an ancient physical and mental discipline that originated in India. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to yoke or to unite. Yoga is a system of practices designed to unite the body, mind, and spirit. The ultimate goal of yoga is to reach a state of perfect spiritual insight and tranquility. Here are 10 amazing health benefits of doing yoga. 1. Improves your flexibility. One of the most obvious benefits of yoga is that it can help to improve your flexibility and range of motion. This is because yoga involves a lot of stretching and lengthening of the muscles. Over time, this can help to increase your overall flexibility. 2. Builds muscle strength. Although yoga is not typically thought of as a workout, it can actually help to build muscle strength. This is because many of the poses require you to use your own body weight to resistance. 3. Perfects your posture. Another benefit of yoga is that it can help to improve your posture. This is because many of the poses require you to stand tall and straight, with your shoulders back and your chin up. 4. Prevents cartilage and joint breakdown. Yoga can also help to prevent cartilage and joint breakdown. This is because the stretching and lengthening of the muscles can help to keep the joints lubricated. 5. Protects your spine. The spine is one of the most important parts of the body, and yoga can help to protect it. This is because many of the poses help to strengthen the muscles that support the spine. 6. Betters your bone health. In addition to protecting your spine, yoga can also help to improve your overall bone health. This is because the poses can help to increase bone density. 7. Increases your blood flow. Yoga can also help to increase your blood flow. This is because the poses help to open up the blood vessels and improve circulation. 8. Drains your lymph and boosts immunity. Yoga can also help to drain your lymph nodes and boost your immunity. This is because the poses help to encourage the movement of lymph fluid. 9. Ups your heart rate. Although yoga is not typically considered a cardio workout, it can actually help to increase your heart rate. This is because many of the poses are quite physically demanding. 10. Regulates your adrenal glands. Yoga can also help to regulate the adrenal glands. This is because the poses can help to reduce stress levels. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss out.